Today, we're exploring the exciting landscape of AI and machine learning in 2025. What skills will you need to stay ahead? Well, let's dive in. In this rapidly evolving field, expect to master advanced neural networks, real time cloud deployment, and generative AI applications. These aren't just buzzwords, they're critical tools for making sense of big data and improving decision making processes in various industries. Plus, understanding ethical AI practices is increasingly important, as it helps ensure technology works for everyone. Engaging with real world datasets and projects not only enhances your learning, but gives you experience that employers are actively seeking. Education isn't just theoretical, it brings you into the action. Imagine interacting in coding assignments, where you're building a project by applying what you've learned. Interactive labs and mentorship from industry experts ensure you grasp every concept and are job ready upon graduation. Ready to embark on your AI ML journey? Enroll now at educamly.com and start building the future of technology today. Don't miss out. Your career in tech awaits.